Hello everyone. I cannot believe that this class is coming to an end so soon. I wanted to make sure to give you some information about some extra credit opportunities. I've had some emails recently asking about extra credit and how to earn extra credit in this class, and so I wanted to go over a couple things with you. First of all, remember that you can always redo past assignments. If they're a written assignment, feel free to look at the feedback and then resubmit it. If it's not allowing you to resubmit it in Blackboard, please email it to me and just make sure to tell me what assignment that is that you're submitting and what unit it is from. If you need to retake a quiz or a test and it's not allowing you a retake, again, just email me what you would like to retake and we can make that happen as well. The extra credit opportunities that I'm talking about for the class now, that hopefully some of you have seen already, is in Unit 8, which hopefully you started Unit 8 on Friday. Many of you had, and you're doing really well on it. When you go into Unit 8, you'll see right here at the top that there is a survey. Please take the time to complete the course evaluation. This is completely confidential. However, I can see when you've completed it, so I can see the name, your name that you completed it, and I can give you extra credit accordingly. So please take the time to evaluate the class and just give us your feedback. Also, we have sent out a survey for your parents, so please encourage them to fill that out as well. It just helps us as we're preparing for classes next year and just helps us improve as teachers as well. So this is an extra credit opportunity. And then the other one that you will hopefully see once you finish Unit 8 is under the Review and Final Exam link. When you click in there, they started this last semester. It's a final exam review blog. And I'll post questions in there occasionally, and if you become an active participant, you can actually earn up to 40 extra credit points for this, so it's really big. So again, this is something that you can become involved in and earn extra credit as well. On this, you just need to make sure that you're reading the question that I post and responding. I'll post several questions so that you can respond to different ones. Read what a student says prior and try to add to it. Don't write the exact same thing or I won't give you those extra points. So become involved in this. Also, there is the final exam review that I'll give you some extra credit points for completing as well. This one is designed to help you review questions that you'll see on the final. So again, please make sure that you're going through the final exam review. A big thing that's going to be on the final that I highly encourage you to make sure that you review are the essay questions that are found on all of the unit tests. You'll have about 7 or 8 essay questions on your final, so review those. And I'll be posting a lot of those in the blog so you can see those as well, because they're 5-point questions on your final exam, so you really want to pay attention to that. So those are 2 extra credit opportunities, the review blog and the final exam review here under the review link, and then your other extra credit opportunity is completing the survey here in Unit 8. I just also wanted to remind you that in Unit 8, one of the assignments that I've seen some students struggle on is the pros and cons list for NAFTA. It's in Lesson 4. On this assignment, you want to make sure that you are just listing pros and cons and then writing a short analysis after you've listed the pros and cons, and then you must do a works cited. That's where I've seen a lot of students losing points, is they forget to put the works cited. When you're doing that, make sure it's MLA format. So you might need to go back and review that. I went over MLA format earlier in the term, so make sure that you're looking back at that. I think it was in Unit 5 when you did the labor unions article. So take a look at that. Make sure that you're citing your sources there for Unit 8. Also, I just want to remind you that finals week is next week. Our class ends on August 21st. So make sure you are scheduling your final with your site coordinator. If you're needing to file an extension for this class, you need to make sure that you talk to your school and your site coordinator and see if they allow that. And you need to do that by this Friday. So again, make sure that that is done by this Friday. It will be August, I believe it's the 14th. So make sure that's the deadline to file for an extension. Finals are the 21st. You need to complete all of your work before taking the final, so make sure you're doing that, and you can use notes on the final. So all of those things, make sure you're getting ready for. And good luck as the beginning of school is just right around the corner. And email me if you have any questions. Thanks.